Hey guys, it's Rick. Welcome back to another video. Today is a different kind of video than what we normally do. We are going to swatch and look at the acrylic markers from Altenew that just came out in January, I believe. These are a fun marker. I love the case. They have a great range of color. The case flips open like that, and then it has these little plastic things in the inside that hold the markers in place, which is fabulous. I'm also going to give you my first impressions. We're going to swatch these out on white cardstock and black cardstock because they're opaque and they're a little bit different on black. So as you can see with the first color, which is pink pearl, there's 24 colors in this set. Let's go back first. There's 24 colors in this set. They have a great range of color. I was super happy with the range of colors. The price on these are $24.99. These are the Altenew Acrylic Markers 24 set volume 1, which means there might be a volume 2 or more coming out, depending on how they do. But as far as the range of color goes, you have pretty much a light, medium, and dark for almost everything, or that can be used for a light, medium, dark. So you have like some great color ranges. I'm looking at the color swatches now. And it does look like there's a light, medium, and dark for almost all the colors, except maybe one or two, which is okay. These are a water-based ink, an acrylic ink, which is a little bit different than your stamping ink. You would use these more for coloring. So as you can watch me swatch out the colors, I really enjoyed these markers. I think that where they really shine, well, we'll get into that in a minute. Let's get back to the water-based ink. With the ink, you have a smooth application, which allows for a seamless blending and layering, which is fabulous for a product like this. I've used other acrylic paint markers in the past. They don't perform anything like this. I don't have to shake these. I opened them up right out of the container and went right to coloring. You're seeing my first experience with these as we're swatching, and I've not shaken a first one of them up. I just have to take them out, take the lid off. They're primed. I don't have to do nothing. I don't have to do any of that crazy stuff like you do with the old ones from the 80s and 90s. I can just color and be done with it. So I like that fact. That's a fabulous part. The ink is yet acid-free, and which is great because that means it's not going to yellow over time and they're not going to deteriorate. So that's fabulous. As far as what substrates you can use with these, you can use them on paper, plastic, cardstock, glass, wood, and whatever your little heart desires, they're going to probably work on. I would just test it out and see how it works on like maybe a scrap piece. But Altenew actually says in their posting that they work on paper, plastic, cardstock, glass, and wood. So we know they work on those, and they had like etc. So which means it could work on a number of things. So swatching, let's talk about that for a second. You want to swatch your colors because they look different from the marker caps. The Altenews are very, very, very close to what the actual ink looks like, which is fabulous. I always love that about their products. Even with their regular inks, it's pretty close to what is on the top of the lid. It's what you get. But I'm swatching on white and black because black as cardstock is where these are really going to shine. Because they are nice and opaque, you can take in color on black cardstock. And if you saw my video from Friday where I colored on black cardstock, these are the markers I used. And I will try to link that in the top right corner up there at the top. So if you missed it, you can check that out. But as far as the tip goes, they have a medium tip, and it's a felt tip. It didn't give me a problem coloring with them. They gave me a really good control, and it let me, I can use these for a lot of techniques. Like I saw examples on their website, Altenew's website, where someone used them for the dot painting, where you take and put little dots in different patterns and create beautiful designs. So I might have to give that a try because that looks really interesting. And I had seen another video where someone was doing that, and I was like, that shit looks too tedious. But with these markers, that could be a game changer. So I'm going to have to give that a try. So you do want to store these markers horizontal in the case because that way it's going to allow you for a consistent flow of ink. If you store them with the cap down or tap up, they might leak. I don't know. I would store them exactly how Altenew recommends to store them, which is horizontal, and that way you can keep them flowing nicely. So we're on to our 20th color. We have a couple more colors. That was coral pink. And now I'm going to swatch out blush, which is a real pretty skin tone color, but you can see from the difference between the white and the black how they look. But once it dried back, it was actually a different look on the black. It didn't come out as white looking as it does in the video. I'm using Cloudy Sky right now, which is a beautiful grayish blue color, and it was super pretty on the black and the white. And I'm going to do black, and it even shows up on the black cardstock, so that's a great thing that you could use, say, if you got white embossing powder everywhere. Put the black on there. It's going to show up a little bit, but it's not going to be as noticeable as with the other. And then the white is super pretty on the black, which made me super happy. So I could see lots of techniques using that white marker on just black cardstock. I could also see using these as to splatter with, maybe. They are water-based. I'm going to play with these a little bit more to see what I can get them to do with water and see if they act pretty close to acrylic ink where you can water them down and get different effects. I'm really curious to see how far I can push this product. But so far, I'm super happy with them, and I think they're worth the $24.99. There is a bundle on this website where you get the acrylic markers plus their color by number sheet bundle, and it's $38 in the US, or you could just get the sheets. Here's a look at the products, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you.